In this lesson, we are going to prove that no matter what the value of x is, the polynomial 3x squared subtract 7x plus 5 is always larger than 0. The polynomial is 3x squared subtract 7x plus 5, which can be written into 3x squared subtract 7 divided by 3 x plus 7 divided by 3 divided by 2, 7 divided by 6 square, plus this and subtract 7 divided by 6 square, and plus 5, which equals to 3. The common factor, x squared subtract 7 divided by 3 x plus 7 divided by 6 square, subtract 3 times, here is a denominator is a 6 times 6, because 6 square, here is a 7 times 7, 7 times 7, and plus 5. Here, numerator and denominator divide by 3. So 3 divided by 3 is 1. 6 divided by 3 is 2. 2 times 6 is 12. So denominator is 12. Numerator 12 multiply 5. We need to get the same denominator to add these two fractions. So this equals to 3. Here is a completing square. X subtract 7 divided by 6 square. We use the formula a subtract b square equals to a square subtract 2 times 2ab plus b square. We use this formula. Here is a negative. Denominator 2 times 6 is 12. Numerator 7 times 7, 49. Here, plus denominator is 12. Numerator 12 times 5 is 60. Now we get 3 times x subtract 7 divided by 6 square plus denominator, keep the same denominator, 60 subtract 49 equals to 11. So when x is 0, here is a negative, 7 divided by 6. Negative square is a positive when x is very large number. So here is a positive number. Positive square is positive. When x is a larger negative number, negative square is a positive. So when x is any number, no matter what the value of x is, the polynomial is always larger than 0. Now we proved this. Thank you for watching.